Alright, I'm gonna do part 2. There is a peacock that lives here, which caught me quite off guard. Hey buddy, look at that. Look at that peacock. That's Junkyard Peacock. It's very interesting. I'm glad that peacock was friendly. Alright, that was today's extra bonus content features the Junkyard Peacock. I was really not anticipating running into something like that. They're such beautiful birds, but man, last time I've seen a peacock, they were not friendly. They're not known for friendliness. Alright, let's see what's going on back here. Let's see some more really good junk. Oh, this is sweet. Check this out. I have a feeling this is something sort of like oil field. Yeah, oil rig drilling type thing. Wow, that's old. Very, very old. GMC 5500. I'm always fascinated by these giant winches. Yep, that's a Tulsa winch. They make these giant winches here in Tulsa. They're kind of world famous, really, for huge winches. Isn't that strange how there's this guardrail here in the middle of... Maybe that's technically a street? That's strange. Put a guardrail in the forest. What is this, an old safe? Oh wow, look at this. Dang. That is brutal. That is brutal. Yeah, old safe. Wow. How did that get here? It's so random. And then next to that is a very, very old safe that looks like it's been cut open. Oh, very strange. I like it. That GMC's in pretty nice shape, really. That's totally savable. Some nice metal shelving back here. Oh, check that out. This is a street sweeper. Wow. Well, I've never seen the underside of a street sweeper. That is a unique situation. Alright, well, I think that about concludes this video. Very interesting stuff back here. Check out this big stationary engine. That is huge. Huh. That looks like a very old one. Hey buddy, what are you doing? All right, hope you enjoyed.